Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is Docker and we are going to install the Docker. So, what exactly is the Docker, guys? You might be hearing this term all the time. So, Docker is an open platform for developing, shipping, and running applications. It acts like a container, not like a virtual machine. Okay. Docker also enables you to separate applications from your infrastructure so that you can deliver the software quickly. Now let us see how we can install the Docker. Just type Docker installation Windows. It will navigate to this place. Click on install Docker. So you'll have n number of things. First, you have to install WSL version, or later you can install it for Windows 7. The version should be version 21 H2 or higher. Let us see my version. So that for that I have to type, guys, Windows R. Just type winver, click on OK. It will give you the version of the OS which is installed. So mine is 23 H2, it is higher than that. So I should be able to install easily. Okay. Now, for that you have to install this one, guys, WSL. So for that, guys, open CMD command prompt, click on enter. So command prompt opens. Just try to see add WSL whether it is working or not. Just type WSL and enter. Everything comes like this, then WSL is already installed in your system. If you don't have WSL, guys, you have to use one more command. So if you don't have that, you can type just WSL minus minus install. So this will actually install WSL. So we have to also do this one, guys. Turn on WSL2 feature on Windows. For that, guys, just type turn on of features. So you can get here turn Windows feature on off. Click on that. So when you click on that, we'll get this list. In this list, you have to enable one of the feature. So we have to make sure Windows subsystem for Linux is turned on. Click on that. Okay. Click on OK. So once you click on OK, so you'll get like this thing searching for the required files. If you search all the files, make sure you have good internet connection. So it says Windows needs to reboot your machine. For now, I'll click on don't restart since I'm recording this. Later, you can restart to make sure the changes are applied. I'll just click on don't restart. You should also make sure in the CPU section, this virtualization is enabled, right? If it's not disabled, it's a different story. Just have to make sure virtualization is enabled. So now you can click here, install Docker desktop for Windows. So it will actually open you this one. So we can install the Docker, click on release notes. So you can download the Docker desktop, click on this. It should be able to download the installer. Just let me click on this. It is asking me Docker developer desktop installer. I clicked on yes. So now this will pop up, initializing Docker desktop, verifying the package. So yeah, now it is recommending us to use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V recommended as shortcut to desktop. Yeah, let me click on OK. Installation succeeded. Now you must restart the system. Now let us restart the system. So once you have restarted the system, you'll get like this Docker subscription and service agreement. Click on accept. So once you have accepted that, accepted that, we'll get this one. Finish setting up Docker desktop. I'll just use recommended setting. Click on finish. So it might require the username and password. So if you have sign up, you can sign up, or if you want to sign in, you can sign in. I'll click on continue without signing in. So you can add all these things. You can skip the server. Okay. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.